Welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we made a few acrylic paints. And with that, we created some of these. So today, we're going to be making a few more of these with different designs. Let's get started. For this acrylic pour, I will be using the swirling technique. I will make layers of color in this small cup, then swirl the cup in the center of the canvas. See how the layers are forming? This is how your layers should look like. Now we are going to spread the color by tilting the canvas. Leave it to dry and move on to our next technique. For this acrylic pour, I will be using the blowing technique. I have prepared my golden, my orange, my white, my blue, and my copper. Let's start with spreading the copper for the base. You can use any color and any amount. Spread the copper. I'll put white dots on the canvas. Don't forget to mix silicone if you put some. Next, I'll take blue and put it on top of the white. Now comes the first word of the name of the technique, the blowing. Put the straw in a slant, then blow and move the straw. Doesn't it look amazing? Let's leave it to dry. It will take a long time.